too. Oh, why? Look at those.
Yeah. CSX, what was that for?
Real train.
Look at that tank car.
Oh,
It's humongous.
Yeah. Getting shorter. I like those cars.
And look at that tall man beside those train cars. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah. He's the master of the train story. So.
The man is taller than mom and dad and like really short.
Yeah. That train is going a lot. Big load. Big
Wow, look at those hopper cars.
Yeah, hopper cars. Wait, tank cars.
Wow.
Long train.
This is really cool. It looks like a root beer car.
Box car.
A lot of box cars. Yeah, see those openings? That's cool. Those ladders look really old on them. The cars
Yeah.
look really old.
Yeah.
I wonder what was in that gondola car.
Yeah.
I don't think this will have any flatbeds.
Oh, look. Flatbeds.
Oh, look, those are the turquoise little tubes that were on the little train. Yeah, in the back of the store. Remember those? Yeah. Those aren't even
Gondola car.
the same colors. Yeah, gondola.
Oh, I like that.
More tank cars.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, that's a long train.
Oh,
Audrey, I
look.
can't see.
A red tank car. That's cool.
Oh, it's down.
It's going faster.
Yeah, it's going faster. Zoom.
Zoom.
Without caboose. Okay. Let's go look. Let's go look.